For this year's Prince Lad Hula Festival, we've decided to use two songs, Kawakahiko and Hole Waimea Elua. Now, Kawakahiko was written by Kahuanu Lake in the 90s, and it was part of a release album that his proteges, Henry, Barrett, and Tot Kan Ching, recorded it. And so we're using that particular album and celebrating with Tot and Henry of all these years that we've been working together. Kawakahiko was a story that Kahuanu wrote for his hero, and his hero was Kamehameha the Great. And so it basically translated as, long ago, royal child was born, and his name was Kamehameha. And that our people in Hawaii, we should look towards him as a hero, like Kahuanu did, and use that idea of bringing people together. And so we thought it was a really nice idea, a nice time to share this particular mele. We've not danced this in many, many years, and with the help of Tot and Henry, we'll be able to redo this again. They're bringing in another person named Paul, and so with them, we'll be able to recreate that particular mele again. The second medley we're going to do is Hole Waimea Elua. And this one was this is a traditional chant that was composed and then we did many times, many over. It was arranged by Kahuanu Lake, adding a bridge and a puana in it. And so he renamed it Hole Waimea Elua. And again, it celebrates Kamehameha in that same theme. I have a fond affection in these past years for the area, the place in Waimea on the island of Hawaii. That is where I started my Hālau. And I have lots of memories that go back there for that. And so I thought this would be a wonderful opportunity to work with not just Henry, Tot, Paul, but celebrate Waimea and the people that I've worked with before.